Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy. Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy. Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy.
Just real quick, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here outside Ocean View Bar and Grill. Come on, check it out today, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. They call it the day party. Right here at Ocean View. Ocean View, just come on and Father's Day, then come on out.
Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy.
Everything is set.
Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy.
Alright, good ladies and gentlemen, I tell them again, come on out because this thing is different. This thing is amazing. You know, the weather is perfect for it. You know, timing is perfect for it. Father's Day, y'all bring out their man because it have to happen to the look. We never seen nothing like this, no, can't I say? Nice stage, nice tents. So even if you get too hot for no, look, we got a place to make a shelter and a nice beautiful skin. So we can just move this promo for you, so alright, cool. See, whenever the man himself, tell it.
Manners and respect, good morning. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. Everybody, Griga, surrounding villages. We're inviting you all out today. It kicks off at 2 and it goes until 8 o'clock. So early arrival is suggested. A lot of tickets have been sold. All the VIP tables have been sold out. I think we have like 1 or 2 more cocktail tables available. Hit up Solo if you want one of those cocktail tables. But it's going to be nice. Evolution is here. Myself, DJ Dollar, Cloud9, YG. Many artists say, boy, they call you, we are pass you, we are vibes. It's going down. It starts at 2 right here at Ocean View. It's the first day party as we're traveling around the country doing day parties, and you can see everywhere we go, like the numbers come out crazy and the vibes is nice. Mature thing, $25, come on. Get your pre-sold tickets, a little bit more at the door, and of course we invite you all to come out. DYFA radio station, always big up on yourself. You know you always support the thing, and of course to Smirnoff and DJ, all our sponsors who made it possible. Come out, it's gonna be nice, ladies. Come take on a picture. Pretty. Oh, make sure you come out dressed nice, you know, cause it's a nice, it's a no. And you know where I wear it, I bring like 4 outfits. I don't know where I wear it. Still decide I wear, but it's tropics, meaning you wear whatever you want. Just come out looking nice. It's gonna be nice. Smirnoff ice.
Why? You hear from the man himself, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Look at the setup. Lot of time, lot of love in this. Have to come out. Have no choice. Father's Day. Bring them out. They gotta go celebrate. 8 p.m. Clean, fun. Security tight. Drinks to get cold right now. Ice cold. Look at it, Smirnoff ice. So come on out, ladies and gentlemen. Come and enjoy something different, something nice. Right here at Ocean View. Bar and Grill. Ocean View. So Again, Griga, clean fun. Alright? So, we're gonna see you now. And we'll be back here later on. The stage is set. The stage is set, alright? So, we're gonna see you later on, Griga. Even all the surrounding villages, no, come. Alright? Fine, nice stage, professional stage too.
Down Griga, you deserve a day party. And we're bringing that day party to you on Sunday, June 15th at the Ocean View. It will be crazy.